Hey guys, it's Mike the Scrapper. I have a microwave oven here I want to show you. But before we get started, I just want to say, before you take apart a microwave oven, be sure it has not been plugged in the last hour. Alright, because these things do hold a charge and you will get shocked. See that? Okay, now let's get started here. I took one apart just to show you. See that? I gutted it all out. This is what I found. I got some wiring, I got some copper. This is like a sealed unit. There's a little transformer there with plenty of copper. This here, if you look inside, there's magnets in here. This is aluminum. Inside this unit here, you got to pop this all open. In here, there's like this long line of copper, like 2 strings in there. And you also have this little transformer here, this little doohickey here. Inside it, there's actually copper. Okay? Now, I wanted to show you guys these screws. All the microwaves I've come across have screws like this. Alright, we don't have regular bits for this. These are called tamper-proof bits. Okay, and here is a set of tamper-proof bits. Alright, so you guys can see that, all different weird shapes and stuff. Now, this I purchased at Home Depot. Alright, I bought it online. I'm not trying to give them a plug or anything, but I paid about $19 with shipping and handling. There was no, actually there's no shipping and handling. It was just like tax or something like that I had to pay. But pretty much this is it in a microwave. There's some good money here. Just take this all apart, strip out the copper, as you can see there. Strip all that copper out and throw the rest away, or just give it like that. It's about 20 cents a pound. These are sealed units. This goes for about 10 cents a pound or something. Now, if you can see here, see all that nasty black stuff? That is actually roach poo. Okay, the person who had this actually had roaches in their microwave, which I think is pretty nasty. Now, the only way Mike the Scrapper knows this is I'm not only a scrapper, I'm also an exterminator. So if you guys have any other questions too about exterminating, let me know. But besides that, hey man, you know, this is a good way to make some extra money. So guys, post something, give me a question, I'll see what I can do for you. Alright, until then, see you guys later. Peace.